Okay, let's get started. So, the first step is to plot the stage. Before assigning any tasks to AI, you have to plot the entire stage for performance. Okay, and how do we do that? We will give some context around the task. I'll give you an example. And do you remember the custom instructions which you have set here? I'll just show you again. We'll go to the settings, we'll go to personalization, we'll open custom instructions, and here we trained AI on our persona and the role which it needs to perform in the market. Okay, the role which it needs to perform on the stage, that we have defined here. So in our case, for this demo purpose, AI will perform as a copywriting expert and its expertise level will be advanced. So while giving a context, ensure that you don't go and repeat these informations. Okay, you don't have to repeat these informations. While we will give the context, we'll give context around the task. Okay, let me give you an example. So as it is a copywriting expert, it will create persuasive headlines and copy for the places where you need text to be written, like on your social media posts or for your landing pages, for your websites, for your Facebook ads. So let's say we want to train this model around creating content for our landing pages. Okay, so I'll give some context around the task first. We are not going to give task here. Task will be assigned at a later stage. Now we will only give a context. Let me show you. So this is what I will write. I'm building a landing page where my key focus is on 3 tips for coaches and trainers for scaling up their challenge. So when we say challenge, it's about a 3 days challenge or a 5 days challenge, which we do in a kind of virtual kind of thing, right? That kind of challenge we are talking here. So I'm just giving it a context, and so I'm going to conduct a 3 days program where I'll teach how to scale their coaching business, for example. Okay, so this is a kind of context which I have given here. And let's say if I'm building a landing page, I will exactly know whom to target, right? So I'll give some context around the kind of people whom I'll be bringing on my page as a visitor. Okay, so let me give details about my targeting. I'm targeting coaches and trainers who are at least making $5,000 a month and want to scale to $1 million in next 1 to 2 years. So this is a kind of context which we have given to AI. What you can see here is I have not written that act as if you are a copywriting expert, because we have already defined it into the custom instructions, right? Also, I'm not talking about myself, who I am, what I do, because that is also covered in the custom instructions part. So AI will exactly know my persona, it will exactly know what role it should perform on the stage, right? And we are just plotting the entire thing here. Okay, and here comes a next step. Okay, so before going to the next step, I wanted to do this. You need to give the context of the task. Don't tell about the task here. Okay, just give the context around it and submit it. Then in the next stage, we will go and refine it further. Okay, so we'll just share this information with AI here, and we will see its response around it. Okay, so what you can observe is AI has already started generating content for my landing page, right? But this is a shallow level content. I will be further refining this content. Okay, how to refine, we will show you in the next video.